Alrighty, so a few hours later and a whole lot of troubleshooting later, here's the prototype for the gun lock box I was telling you about. So right after that first video, what I did was kind of map out how I wanted to do things. Troubleshooting wise, like I mentioned earlier, that quad op amp was bad, that quad op amp was bad, and that op amp was bad. So I'm not sure if, I know last winter I didn't pack up my stuff like this. Maybe the elements got to it, which really sucks because it's a lot of stuff that could possibly be bad. But anyways, after I figured out that was one of the problems, everything works so far except for that LED keeps staying on. Probably a bad op amp. But anyways, this small switch with the roller will represent the key switch. I have the key switch right here, so I haven't put it in yet. This one right here will be just a regular button, which I have right here. This resistor right here, I think I'm going to keep it like that. I could throw in the trim pot. I could find it, there it is. Well anyways, it's in there. Oh, come on. There we go. There's the trim pot with the low wheel. Anyways, this should be off. It should only turn on once it hits a certain point on the voltage divider. But I think the op amp's bad, so let's turn the key, press the button. Oops, let me activate the solenoid, or reset the solenoid. Turn the key, so there's our indicator that there's power to the circuit. Hold the push button down. Okay, it's almost there. Closer. There you go. So that last LED is an indicator that this relay turns on. This relay is hooked up to that solenoid. This is obviously not the solenoid I'm going to use for the lock because this is a weenie solenoid. So I'm going to just pull it right off the hinges. So let's see that again. There you go. Oh, and also the one I'm going to get is resettable. It's got a spring, so it's going to reset itself. So that's a prototype. The only issues I can think of is when I'm not sure what kind of box he has. I'm assuming it's something like a glove box, like you open it up. So obviously you don't want to have to hold this down. While you're opening a glove box, like it'd be kind of hard to do so. So maybe I'm gonna use like a reed switch or something, maybe even some logic to hold that in place until it passes back a certain point, like another reed switch. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So once again, one more time. There you go. Alrighty, till next time.